We are witnessing tremendous growth and maturity of the market. So in 2-3 years, I expect actually the Asian investor come a fast learning curve and become a major player in a global setting.
Asia represents 50% of global demand. China alone represents 30%. We often use China and America as comparison. So if you look at the United States, the infrastructure need is half of that of China.
They're changing, the paradigm is sort of shifting. That is coinciding with economic growth and the infrastructure that's required to support the economic growth.
Japan ICT Fund is interested in digital infrastructure assets. For example, we are very interested in data centers, telecom towers, fiber cell networks, and fiber projects.
Right, actually I think the main markets that we're seeing with potential growth is, for us, it's actually Taiwan, where we are quite active. But then of course, China is really the big force in Asia, but also we think that Japan is quite interesting. South Korea is coming up. And then maybe, of course, India being a very large market with some ambitious renewable goals coming up. And then obviously we see markets like the Philippines or Indonesia or Thailand, so that's where we expect the growth.
The big game changer is, of course, what's going to happen with China's Belt and Road Initiative, which is talking unbelievable amounts of money. It's also talking unbelievable amounts of risk, and no one expects all the money that's being talked about to actually eventuate. But if even a small proportion of that comes to fruition, then that could change the region in really quite dramatic fashion.
So I think that the future is bright. Clearly you can tell by the conference, more and more people show up each year, and that's probably a reflection of the degree of interest investors have.